Hey everyone, welcome to back my channel Dream Cars today. 2026 Mazda CX-5, the best compact SUV for style, performance and technology. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is a standout in the competitive compact SUV segment, offering a unique blend of style, performance and advanced technology with sleek aesthetics, a refined interior and an engaging driving experience. The 2026 CX-5 is set to continue Mazda's legacy of producing vehicles that deliver both luxury and practicality. Whether you're looking for an everyday commuter vehicle or a road trip companion, the CX-5 brings a dynamic edge to the world of compact SUVs. Here's a breakdown of why the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is quickly becoming one of the best choices for anyone in the market for a new ride. Mazda has always been known for its stunning exterior design, and the 2026 CX-5 is no exception. The front fascia is bold with a prominent grille and signature LED headlights that give the vehicle a confident upscale look. The sleek lines and muscular stance convey an air of sophistication that helps the CX-5 stand out in a crowded field. The car's clean profile and sculpted body create a timeless appeal, making it a vehicle that looks as good parked in your driveway as it does on the road. The interior of the CX-5 is equally impressive, featuring high-quality materials and a minimalist design philosophy that puts driver and passenger comfort at the forefront. The cabin exudes a premium feel with soft touch surfaces and refined details that provide a sense of luxury whether you're driving or riding as a passenger. The CX-5 offers a serene environment with excellent fit and finish throughout the cabin. One of the standout features of the Mazda CX-5 has always been its driving experience, and the 2026 model takes it to the next level. The CX-5 is one of the most fun to drive vehicles in its class, with sharp handling and a responsive chassis that sets it apart from its competitors. Thanks to Mazda's signature SkyActiv technology, the CX-5 offers a perfectly balanced driving experience that prioritizes driver engagement while maintaining everyday usability under the hood. The 2026 CX-5 comes equipped with a choice of two engines: a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 187 horsepower and a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine that pushes out up to 250 horsepower with premium fuel. Both engines provide a smooth and powerful ride, with the turbocharged version offering plenty of acceleration for those who crave a little more thrill on the road. Additionally, Mazda's available all-wheel drive system provides added confidence in various driving conditions, making the CX-5 a great option for those who live in areas with inclement weather or rough terrain. Cutting-edge technology. The 2026 CX-5 offers an array of advanced technology features that enhance both convenience and safety. The infotainment system comes with a standard 10.25-inch display, which is intuitive and easy to use with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user interface is responsive and the system integrates seamlessly with smartphones, making it easy to access your favorite apps, music and navigation on the go. On the safety front, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, line spot monitoring, lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. Mazda's iActive Send suite of safety features also includes traffic sign recognition, rear cross traffic alert and a 360-degree camera system that provides a comprehensive view of the area around the vehicle. These technologies contribute to the CX-5's reputation as one of the safest compact SUVs on the market, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Inside, the 2026 CX-5 is designed to offer a high level of comfort. The seats are supportive and plush with available leather upholstery that adds a touch of luxury to the cabin. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or just commuting to work, the CX-5 interior provides a smooth and quiet ride. The rear seats offer ample legroom, making it a great choice for families or those who regularly carry passengers. Cargo space is also generous for the segment, with a split folding rear seat that expands the trunk area when needed. This flexibility ensures that the CX-5 can easily accommodate your luggage, groceries or gear for outdoor adventures. Fuel efficiency. Fuel economy is an important consideration for compact SUV buyers, and the 2026 Mazda CX-5 delivers impressive numbers. The base 2.5-liter engine returns an estimated 25 mpg in the city and 31 mpg on the highway, while the turbocharged model delivers slightly lower figures but still offers competitive fuel efficiency for the class. Whether you're using it for daily commutes or longer road trips, the CX-5 is designed to help you make the most of every gallon. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is offered in a variety of trim levels, each tailored to different preferences and needs. The Sport trim serves as the entry-level option, offering a solid range of features in a competitive price. The Touring trim adds more luxury touches, including an upgraded sound system and additional convenience features for those looking for a more premium experience. The Grand Touring and Signature trims offer features like a larger touchscreen navigation, a Bose sound system and more. No matter which trim you choose, the CX-5 provides a well-rounded package that balances performance, comfort comfort and style. Pricing and value. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 remains competitive within its class. The starting price is expected to be around $27,000, with higher trims in the turbocharged engine pushing the price to around $40,000. While the CX-5 may not be the cheapest option in the compact SUV category, its premium features, engaging driving dynamics and upscale design make it an excellent value for those looking for something more than the average SUV. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is a compact SUV that checks all the right boxes. It combines sporty handling, cutting-edge technology, a premium interior, and a stylish design into a well-rounded package that appeals to a wide range of buyers. Whether you're seeking a fun-to-drive daily commuter, a family-friendly vehicle, or a road trip companion, the CX-5 offers a fantastic mix of performance, luxury, and practicality. If you're in the market for a compact SUV, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 blends luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology, offering an exceptional driving experience. At the rear, the sleek, aerodynamic design stands out, featuring sharp LED taillights that enhance both visibility and aesthetics. The rear bumper is carefully crafted with precision, complementing the CX-5's modern appeal while maintaining a rugged edge for practicality. The tailgate is equipped with a hands-free liftgate for convenience, offering easy access to the spacious cargo area. The cargo space itself is versatile, capable of accommodating large items with ease, making it ideal for road trips or everyday use. The rear of the CX-5 also includes parking sensors and a backup camera, enhancing safety and convenience when reversing or parking in tight spots. Additionally, the rear features dual exhaust outlets that not only add a sporty touch but also contribute to the vehicle's performance-driven appeal. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 continues to impress with its blend of style, comfort, and advanced tech, making it a standout in the luxury compact SUV segment. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. Dream cars and see in the road.